New Year's ngayon at nandito kami sa aking friend dahil kakalipat lang nila. Nitong December bago mag Pasko. So, I'll show you guys sa bago nilang bahay. I'll show you.
Happy New Year's.
It's the porch, guys. Have the porch. Mayroon siyang dalawang chair right there.
That's very easy to put together. You put the legs on it and you just snap them together. And it's actually
I'm gonna sit them right here and look outside.
All of these tables have 215 plug-ins and 2 USBs.
Ang ganda ng bahay nila.
$45-50 for each one of them. And of course you have to put it all together.
Tapos meron silang garage. Yung garage nila is can fit 3 cars from right there. Oh. 1, 2, and 3. Tatlong sasakyan ng kasya. 3 cars. It can fit 3 cars. Tapos meron silang storage doon. Storage room right there. And it's quiet here. It's nice neighborhood. It's quiet. Yeah, plants right here. She has. These plants are so nice.
If I ordered it right now, it'd be here Wednesday. A week away.
I need new furniture.
We've had that ever since before we got
Ito
married.
yung living room nila. Look at that. Gary, your house is so nice.
I love it.
Yeah, it is nice. It's
So the
nice.
bad thing is it's double what we were paying.
But it's fine.
But
You got double the room.
Three
Three
times.
times.
Well, no, we tripled it.
Yeah.
That was an efficiency.
Yeah.
We were in the
Mhm.
bedroom. But see, he was going. We were paying 9. He was going up to 13. It's only $200 more to rent this, but I got to pay the utilities. But it's sealed real good, so the utilities aren't high.
Right.
Plus, it's
And
got.
this is new. This. I mean, I
it's
looked
2
it
years.
up.
It's 2 years old.
Oh, okay.
Is
Yeah.
the
I
room?
looked it up. She gave me the
First
address,
room?
And I Googled it. I'm looking. It's like.
Yeah,
It's
the
an empty
150
lot.
the
So
150,000
nice here.
for it.
Uh-huh.
See, we
There's
rented
one
it.
TV right here.
But I still get all the perks. Because they can't rent me. They can't rent the lot to themselves. Houses on there, they either charge me the lot or not the house, one or the other. So they charge for the house.
And there's a bathroom.
Daisy wants to get. That was $130. Recliner.
Really?
It's got massage in the back.
Very nice.
Amazon.
Amazon. Yeah.
Oh.
All you got to do is.
Because we need new furniture too.
This is Amazon. That's everything is Amazon. Everything here is Amazon.
Oh, ang ganda.
This right here is what? A little over 3. 320.
The shower, still new.
2 or 3 boxes. But.
So beautiful.
Oh, yeah, they got little hooks. You decide which end you want that on.
And
You can put it there or here.
this is the second room.
But they just got
The
little
exercise
funky
room.
like
This is
that.
exercise room.
And then you got
There is another big TV
And
right there.
this comes out.
It comes out.
Oh yeah, yeah. It makes. You didn't leave the tab out, baby.
Ooh, nice.
Give it to it.
You gotta leave the tabs out.
It's outside. Give it.
No, Willie. I'm a big old man. Sorry.
Okay.
See, we got that.
Oh.
That was like 3.
It's very nice, Daddy. Oh,
Okay, and then when we eat, if I eat
And you got this from Amazon?
Amazon or Walmart,
For how much? 3?
300 something.
I tell you, yeah.
65.
Yeah. And then I got
65-inch
You got the
TV.
Amazon too?
No, Walmart. I got the.
Oh, you must got them on
I
sale.
bought 4 TVs.
nice. Yeah, honey. You
This
get
is
one
65,
TV
we
here,
bought a
one in the
58.
exercise
We got a
room,
50
and one in
there,
your
50
master's
I
bedroom.
had originally bought 2 40-inch,
Uh-huh.
and they were 100 and what was it,
This is so
128?
nice.
128 for 40-inch, and then 2 days later they come out with the 50-inch Hisense
Right.
for the 130.
Oh, this is so nice.
Too bad. I got
Ay.
these.
Gary
I got
and
you.
Daisy.
We don't even
What's
have
up?
cable. We just watch all the stuff that's on the internet.
You don't need
It
cable.
don't cost anything because you can get all the local news.
You don't
You know what I do when I come home?
Yeah.
I watch about 4 hours of Leave It to Beaver. I do.
Look at
Watch it
this.
good.
Yeah, we put
Yeah.
some.
Good.
The
Yeah.
countertop
Yeah.
is so
TV.
Because
nice.
my mom, she has cable, but she only watches John Wayne or Ponderosa. You know what I mean?
I like your house, Daisy. It's modern. Very nice.
But it wasn't very good. But you
Ano
can
po
use
sa
it.
ano? Sa oven kasi self-clean siya.
You can do all of
Ah, hindi ako nagsiself-clean. Ganun din yung oven namin self-clean. Pero hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi. Oh, this is where magic happens. Look at na. Look at that. Oh, naka-ready na sila kasi they're going back to the Philippines.
So, ito na rin yung, di ba, ito yung ano namin.
It's nice.
He and she.
Nice. Like this ceiling fan right here.
Malaki na siya kaysa dating.
Ah, ang laki ng toilet. Nice. And you have a shower enclosure. Woo! Very nice. Ang ganda, Daisy.
Pwede na.
Oh.
Pwede na, matulog dito kayo. May isang na room na kami.
Oh, it's so nice.
So,
Look at
nilagyan niya
that.
ng ilaw.
Ah, nilagyan mo rin ng ganito. May binili rin ako ng ganito eh. Nilagay ko doon sa ano. Oo. Oo. Oh, dalawa na. Sabi ko sa asawa ko pa, nagpa-renovate kami, 2 sink kasi isa sa akin, isa sa kanya.
Mataas naman yung ano niya, di ba?
Oo, kailangan lang i-renovate yun kasi luma na. Meron na rin siyang ano, walk-in closet. Look at that. Ay, ang ganda. Naka-organize na talaga. Very nice.
Maliit na naman sa amin yan, mga 2 kwarto lang yan, tapos pahaba lang yun.
2 ang dining nyo?
Dito. Bili din ako ng binili din namin yan sa ano.
Ah, ito binili nyo sa Amazon?
Amazon din.
So nice.
Then ito yung laundry namin. See?
Oh, wow. Ang laki. This is the dryer, washer, and this is the dryer.
Oo, yeah.
Ah, ang laki. Bago din tong dalawang to? Ay.
Sa ano, may Nova namin binili.
Ah, okay. Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Ang linis niya tingnan. Kasi naka-organize. Hindi makalain. Diyan pala yung laundry niya.
Kung hindi mo bubuksan.
Hindi mo bubuksan, hindi mo malalaman. Ang
So, yung
ganda.
ano namin, yung maliit na pantry.
Oo.
Ito. Ulit lang.
Ay, may pantry din.
Sila.
Oh, oh, nice. Oh, yeah, daming laman ah. Wow, very nice. Organized. And then, ito yung kanilang double door na fridge. Very nice. Tapos 2 din.
See, them down there is on too. It's got a separate one for each one of them.
I'm sure Ali likes it here.
Ay, ang ganda. Yung shampoo niya.
Oh, ang laki ng stove, ng lutuan mo. Ito, nandito na ito siya dati pa. Ah, okay.
Now this one's different.
Tapos yan,
I've got to mount back up.
dishwasher nila.
This
Ah, may dishwasher sila sa kanila din ito.
I just cut it off here.
I wonder what it looks like. Ganito pala yung tsura yung dishwasher. Wala kasi ito sa bundok. Wala kami kasing dishwasher. Ginagamit mo na yan?
Nagamit ko yan, pero mas gusto ko maghugas sa ano.
Ay, gusto ko mahugas pa rin yung manual na hugas, di ba? Kasi doon tayo sanay.
Tapos ito siya, may ano siyang ano, ano ba yung tawag dito?
It's got a farmhouse tub.
Oh,
It's got a disposal too.
disposal.
Kurente din.
Oh,
Now it
really?
came with this
That's
microwave, but
nice.
I
Ito
got that
yung
microwave. I bought
microwave
that from the
nila.
other place because I bought that.
Ah, okay.
That's
That's
also
this one. You
convection
bought
oven.
this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like it was
Nice.
well, about $200
Uh-huh.
in a convection oven. So you can do convection oven now.
so nice.